Hi, my name is John. I'm the founder of Window Cleaning Solutions LLC, and I wanted to talk to you today a little bit about our window cleaning service. Many customers ask, exactly what's included, what can I expect? So I just want to give you a real brief overview of what you'll experience when we come out to your home. When we show up, we always knock on the door, introduce ourselves. We're friendly, happy people, and we love to talk and really learn and meet and become, build that relationship with you. That's our main goal while we're there. We use many different ways to clean your windows, both on the inside and the outside, depending on the type of windows they are, how dirty they are, and what type of debris is on the windows. We use the traditional squeegee and wand, but we also use something called a water-fed pole, which uses spot-free car wash rinse to cleanse the outside of your windows and pull all dirt, debris, and salt off the windows, leaving them spot-free. So it really depends on, which one will produce the best results is the one that we'll use, and every situation is a little bit different. So that is the two types of techniques. Now, additionally, what's included is we do a basic frame cleaning. So we'll wipe and or wash the frames depending on if we're doing the squeegee technique or the water-fed pole technique. And you also will get all the screens removed. The track that the screen sits in also gets wiped, and the screen gets wiped. We do clean screens with soap and water and thoroughly wash them. That's an additional charge, as well as we can, in some cases, lift the windows and clean under the sill. Sometimes it's very difficult and there's nowhere for that dirt to go. So once again, that's on a case-by-case basis. And that's the basics of what's included in our basic packages. We do have other options, such as hard water stain removal or construction debris removal, which removes silicone paint, stickers, and those require different approaches and equipment. So if you have any other questions, give us a call, 561-293-3117, and we'll be happy to schedule time to come out and take a look at your specific problem. I hope you're having a great day. This is John with Window Cleaning Solutions.